Rob Frazier here. This video I want to talk about my full-on Exitus Elite marketing promotion strategy. So this is kind of like in addition to another video I've done that talked about the same process. I'm just going to quickly recap it and maybe go into a few reasons why I use some of the different pieces that I use. So first off, getting into this, everything in here has an affiliate program attached to it. My capture page, Exitus Elite, Aweber, the Expert Secrets book, Wealthy Affiliate. So what I do is I do two main strategies. I follow the two B's. I blog and I buy traffic. What I have found with my capture page, so when I blog and I buy traffic, the whole goal is to get as many people to see this page right here as possible. That's really it. The more people I can get to see this page, the more people that's going to opt in with their real information, and over time, that's going to be more people joining the business down the line. That's just simply how this works. So, buying traffic, very simple. I buy traffic from MLM leads, and in the description of this YouTube video, you should get links. You should also get on my email list, and you'll see exactly where to get your MLM leads account. You can get an MLM leads account for free. And if I remember, I'll put it in the description of this video. I buy clicks from MLM leads. I send it straight to this link right here. My other strategy is I blog. And a lot of people are talking about, well, what do I blog? Well, number one, where I learned to blog is from a company called Wealthy Affiliate. You can create a free account there and go through some of the training. This right here is my blog. And this is actually an actual article that I've written on Exitus Elite. I've written like 2 or 3, 4 articles about it. But it's very simple. The whole point of this blog is to simply get people, again, to see the capture page. Once people opt into the capture page, they'll come here to the presentation page. And the presentation is coded to you. And this presentation page is actually made through my capture page. I use my capture page instead of the stock Exitus Elite system. Number one, because it's easy to connect my capture page to Aweber, which is the next piece. This is my autoresponder. And this right here is when people come to this page right here, they put in their email, they see the presentation. Not a lot of people just sign up right there immediately, right now, today. What they do is they'll get placed on my email autoresponder series. They'll get some emails from me that are written in a very specific way, and from that, over time is when people join. So that's how these pieces work together. My capture page, send people to the sales page, then from there they get on your email list, and then you follow up with them. How do you follow up with them? Things I've learned in the Expert Secrets book. The Expert Secrets book will teach you email marketing. It will teach you how to create an initial soap opera series, so you introduce yourself to your people, to people on your email list, and then it will teach you how to write what's called a Seinfeld series, which will show you how to send out emails every single day after that initial introduction to you and your leads. And see, hopefully you're seeing how all of this works together. There's no one program that is the catch-all, end-all. I mean, there is none. But if you're looking for a simple system that has all of the pieces, this right here is it. All of these things work together. You're going to learn different things in each of these different products. My capture page simply gives you the capture page and the presentation. Exitus Elite is the actual business. Aweber is the system that's going to follow up with your leads. Expert Secrets is the book that's going to teach you email marketing. Wealthy Affiliate is going to teach you blogging. That's what I do. I blog and I buy traffic. And where I get content for blogging, in the Exitus Elite product. You become a G. There's 4 different levels: 100, 250, 500, and 1,000. At the 100 level, you get Exitus Hub. At the 1,000 level, you get Exitus Hub Plus, which is just an add-on program. And what I simply do is I go through these trainings. Like right now, I'm going through the LinkedIn training. I'll learn something. I'll apply it, and if I get a result, I'll document it and I'll share it. How do I document it? I document it on my blog. Where do I share it? I share it on social media, in my Facebook group, Twitter, LinkedIn post, sometimes in Instagram. And that's all I do. I go through the product, I learn something, I apply it. If I get a result, I document and I share it. If I don't get a result, I'll go back and learn something new. And I just keep that process going. And it's very simple. Once I learn something, I apply it and I get a result, I'll take that result, I'll put it in a blog post, I'll share it on social media, and then at the bottom of the blog post, I say, hey, if you got any value out of this and you want to learn more, opt in to the capture page here and get that same information, because that's where it goes. And it's just a big cycle, and I just keep doing the same thing, keep getting new people into the sales funnel, keep learning something new, keep applying it, keep documenting, keep sharing, and I just keep doing that same thing, and that just keeps this whole thing churning. Whenever I get stuck, I go back through the information and I learn something new. So hopefully you got some value out of that. Super simple way to promote Exitus Elite Part 2. Answering questions about my capture page, Aweber. And the same thing with the Expert Secrets book. Whenever I learn something new there, I'll learn something, I'll apply it, I'll document, and I'll share it. So that being said, wrapping this video up, if you want any of my links right here, opt in to the capture page below this video, get on my email list, get my email, respond to me, and I'll get you that info. We'll see you in the next video.